Today I am reviewing the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to smart home cleaning, few brands have built a reputation as strong as Roborock, and the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop proves exactly why. This upgraded model from the Q5 Max Plus brings serious improvements in power, convenience, and automation, making it one of the most compelling robot vacuums in its category. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is the fully automated cleaning experience. Thanks to the included RockDock Plus, this robot doesn't just clean your floors, it empties itself. With a large 2.7-liter sealed dust bag, you can go up to 7 to 9 weeks without manually emptying it. For busy households, especially those with pets or kids, this is a massive time saver. It's the kind of feature that truly makes a robot vacuum feel hands-free. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Q7 M5 Plus really shines. Equipped with an impressive 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction power, this robot is built to handle everything from fine dust to heavy debris. Whether it's hardwood floors, tiles, or thick carpets, it digs deep and pulls out dirt that many standard vacuums leave behind. If you have pets, this level of suction is especially valuable for lifting embedded hair and dander. Speaking of pet hair, Roborock has tackled one of the most common frustrations with robot vacuums: tangling. The Q7 M5 Plus features a dual anti-tangle system, including a specially designed main brush and a zero-tangle side brush. This means less time spent cleaning the vacuum itself and more time enjoying clean floors. Even homes with long-haired pets will notice a big difference here. But this isn't just a vacuum, it's also a mop. The integrated mopping system allows the robot to vacuum and mop simultaneously, which helps capture fine dust particles that vacuuming alone might miss. With 3 adjustable water flow settings, you can customize how much moisture is used depending on your floor type. Light cleaning for delicate surfaces or a deeper wipe for more stubborn dirt. It's all adjustable through the app. Navigation is another area where this device excels. Powered by precise sense LiDAR technology, the Q7 M5 Plus maps your home with incredible accuracy. It scans rooms in real time, creating efficient cleaning paths that avoid unnecessary repetition. This means faster cleaning, better coverage, and fewer missed spots. It also handles multi-room homes with ease, remembering layouts and adapting to changes. Control is just as smart as the cleaning itself. Through the Roborock app, you can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and even start a quick spot clean from anywhere. Whether you're at home or away, you're always in control. The app interface is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to tailor the cleaning experience to your needs. Just keep in mind that it operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is standard for most smart home devices. In day-to-day use, what really stands out is how effortless everything feels. The combination of powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and self-emptying functionality creates a system that requires very little input from you. It quietly goes about its job, keeps your home clean, and saves you hours of manual work every week. Of course, no product is perfect. If there's one thing to note, it's that while the mopping feature is excellent for maintenance cleaning, it may not fully replace a deep manual mop for heavily stained areas. However, for everyday upkeep, it does a fantastic job. Overall, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus strikes an impressive balance between power, automation, and smart features. It's ideal for pet owners, busy families, or anyone who wants a cleaner home without the constant effort. With its strong performance and long hands-free operation, it easily stands out as one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos in its class. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning routine and bring true automation into your home, this is definitely a product worth considering.